Good morning, everybody. My name is Priyanka Gupta. The topic that I have chosen for today is plant and surrounding. Once again, plant kingdom is a separate group of living things, children. What does this mean? Children, we have already studied about living things and we all know that plants are living things. So all the plants comes under plant kingdom. Okay, and they are separate group of living things. Now the next point is, let us study about the parts of plant. Now in this very diagram I have drawn different parts of plant and their functions as well. So today we are going to study about different parts of plant along with their functions. So the part of plant that is above the ground, this is the ground, you can see this is the ground. So the part of plant which is above the ground is called as shoot, and the part of ground which is below the ground, okay, the part of plant which is below the ground is called as root. Once again children, the part of plant which is above the ground is called shoot, and the part of plant which is below the ground is called as root. Now the shoot has been divided into various other parts. There is a stem, okay, there are leaves, you can see there are leaves, there is a flower, and there is fruit. So these are various parts of plant. What are the various parts of plant? Root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruit. All these are the parts of plant. And the part of plant which is above the ground, that is children, yes, that is shoot. And the part of plant which is below the ground, that is root. Now we are going to study the function of different parts of plant one by one. So first we'll start with root. Okay, root is a part of plant that is below the ground. What is the function of root? Root holds the plant firmly to the soil. Root holds the plant firmly to the soil. Second point is, root absorb water and nutrients from the soil for the plant. Okay, root absorb water and nutrient from the soil for the plant. Next is stem. This is stem children. This is stem. What is the function of stem? It gives support to the plant and it transport food, water, nutrients to other parts of the plant. Stem gives support to the plant and it transport food, water and nutrients to other parts of the plant. Next is leaf. It is a very important part of a plant children. Now, what is the color of the leaf? It is green in color. Leaves are green in color. And why they are green in color? Because they have a constituent present in them, that is chlorophyll. The color of the leaf is due to chlorophyll. The green color of the leaf is due to chlorophyll. The next is, what is the function of leaf? They make food for the plant. What is the function of leaf children? They make food for the plant. And we all know that the underside of the leaves have stomata. The underside of the leaves have stomata. Now the next part is flower. Now what is the function of flower children? Flowers are very attractive. They are very colorful. So what do? They attract insect, bees and butterflies. And their main function is to make seed. Okay. So once again we will revise. Plant kingdom is a separate group of living things. Now we will study about the different parts of the plant. The part of the plant that is below the ground is root, and the part of the plant that is above the ground is shoot. Now shoot has been divided into various other parts such as stem, leaf, flower and fruit. Okay? I hope you all have understood from this very video. Today we have covered different parts of plant in this video. Thank you so much, children.